This is a broken sprinkler pipe causing us brown grass and excessively high water bills. What's up, warriors? I'm JR. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to show you how to easily replace broken PVC pipe underground with the least amount of digging possible. These 4 different methods can also be used on a lot of different PVC applications, so be sure to stick around to the end for my favorite one. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's check out these 4 options from hardest to easiest, though none of them are hard. And first up is going to be the traditional pipe union, used by DIYers, handymen, and plumbers alike for a number of decades. Simple application, right? After we've cut away our pipe break, got a clean cut, we can attach one end. You might need to make an extension depending on how big the break in your pipe was, and attach the other end. Now this is going to be using glue and primer to attach both ends, and then once we've met in the middle, we can thread down the threaded union. Real simple process, right? Cut your pipe clean, glue it on, thread it together. This is going to be an application that I would choose if we had a really small break in our pipe, almost a clean slice right through it. All right, number 2, our expansion repair joint. Now this is going to be a slightly newer option to a lot of DIYers out there, but basically it's an extended version of a union with a slip joint built into it. So similar to a union, we're going to glue it on both ends. So we're using our PVC glue and primer. However, we've got a little bit of flexibility because you can see this joint slides in and out. And then at the very end, once you've lined everything up, we're going to tighten it down, secure it into place. So this process is cutting our pipe back, getting a clean cut on it, then we're gluing it on, adjusting it to where we want it to be, and tightening it down. It's really as simple as that. It's not that hard to use, but check out number 3. The traditional compression fitting. Now this one is a lot easier. It requires no glue, just tightening. We're going to make sure that we got our pipe cut back to the measurement required. It's going to take a little bit more finagling to get your pipe lined up inside of the compression fitting, but simply put your threaded ends on both ends of your underground pipe as it already exists in the ground. Slide the compression fitting onto one end and then onto the other end, and then tighten it down. So you're going to have to bend a little bit, maybe muscle it in there a little bit, but at the end of the day, there's no glue required and it's a fairly easy fix. Guys, if you think this one's easy, check out my favorite pick, which I saved the best for last, number 4. The flexible PVC coupling. Warriors, it doesn't get any easier than this. It's just glue. No tightening, no threads, no wrenches required. You might have to remove a tiny bit more dirt than some of the smaller fittings, but once you prime and glue one end on, you can cut back your other end. Within reason, you got about 2 or 3 inches to play with here, and just simply bend the flexible PVC coupling right into place, slide it on with the primer and glue, and you're done. It's as simple as that. Literally, it says on the packaging, the landscaper's time saver. So when it comes to fixing your sprinkler system or even some other PVC applications around your house and your yard, there are these 4 options that we presented you with today. Guys, I'm going to say I hope one of these has helped you. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, share this video with anybody else you may know may gain some value from it, and we'll see you in the next video.